time for your next homework workout. For this one, you'll need something to mark the beginning and ending points of a course. For our purposes today, we've used some cones, and we're shortening the course for demonstration purposes. But for your course, you'll walk 50 normal steps from the start to the end to establish the length of your course. You're going to use that course and do several different exercises going in one direction. Angelina will demonstrate each one in turn. Starting with lunge walk, she's going to lunge from the first cone to the ending cone. She's keeping her hands on her head, chest up nice and tall, taking a big enough step so that her front shin remains vertical, and she runs back to the start. Next is high knees. From one end to the other, springing off the toes, going as quick as possible, running back to the start. Next is frog jump. She touches the ground at the beginning and end of each jump, runs back to the start. Next is a backward lunge walk. She takes a big step backward, pushes hard off the front foot, all the way through the course, and then she's going to run back to the start. Inchworm is next. She's going to walk her hands out, and then inch her feet forward. Either the hands or the feet are moving, but not both at the same time. She brings her feet up only as far as her flexibility will allow her legs to stay straight, and then she knows it's time to walk the hands out again. And then she runs back to the start. She finishes with a sprint as fast as she can, and then she just runs it back to the start. She's going to do this cycle a total of 3 times with a 2-minute rest in between each round. And if she wants, she can keep track of her time on her stopwatch and see which round she's able to do the fastest. Ladies, your scaling options for this part of the workout is to either make your course longer or shorter, depending on whether you want more of a challenge or if you want it to be a little more attainable for you. After she's finished her 3 rounds, she's going to rest and recover, and then in order, she's going to complete the following: 50 sit-ups, 50 supermans, 50 bicycles, and 50 swimmers. Angelina will demonstrate each of these movements. 50 sit-ups, a full sit-up. She uses her arms to generate momentum, her hips stay on the ground, and she does full range of motion. Next is supermans, on the belly. She's going to raise up the hands and the feet, using her core strength in her back. Next is bicycles. Again, lying on the back, hands are behind the ears, elbows out wide. She's alternating, elbows touching knees. Each side moves for a count of 1. And finishing with 50 swimmers. The setup for a swimmer looks like a Superman, but she holds the up position and moves her arms down and up. Good luck, ladies, and have a great workout.